Hi friends, here we have very basic algebra question. We have two cyclists. They are k miles apart. Their distance is k miles. Now they are meeting in r hours. They are going in the same direction, and they are meeting in t hours. And they are going in opposite direction. Right? Obviously, they are moving. Right? If they are moving in the same direction, then they are meeting in r hours. They are moving in opposite direction. They are meeting in t hours. Then what is the ratio of the speeds? Obviously, r is greater than t because one person has to overtake. Right? This is a simple algebraic manipulation. Let's see. Let's say this is the fast way, this is the slow way. Their distance is k, which is already given, k miles. Right. Now they are moving in the same direction. That means let's say they are moving both of them are moving towards east. Let's say this is east. Right. From left to right is east. Now, if they are moving in the same direction, it is taking r hours. And if they are moving in opposite direction, that means the faster one is moving towards east and slower one is moving towards left. Then they are taking t hours to meet somewhere. Right. So if both are moving in the same direction, right, then at by r hours, this slow guy reach somewhere here. Somewhere here. Let's say he will reach some point here. Now in the same r hours, this fast guy will reach this point. Then only they will meet, right? Fast guy is actually reaching this point in r hours, and slow guy is reaching this point in r hours. What does that mean? The fast guy distance traveled by this fast guy minus distance traveled by the slow guy is actually equal to k miles. Basically, fast guy has to travel k miles more than the slow guy. Right. So, what is the distance traveled by fast guy? Fast guy, let's say, assume fast guy speed is f into r. That is speed into this time. Right. Speed into time minus slow guy speed into slow guy time. Time is in this case, both cases it is r only, is equaling k. So that is f into r. F is speed of fast guy into r time minus slow guy into time. Slow guy speed into slow guy's time, which is again r, is actually equal to k. Right? If they are moving in the same direction. What if they are moving in opposite direction? This guy is moving in this direction towards right. Slow guy is moving towards left. What does that mean? They are meeting in t hours. That means fast guy will reach somewhere here and slow guy will reach somewhere here because faster guy will cover longer distance, right? Because he is moving fast. Now together, this guy is moving from here to here, this guy is moving from here to here. Together they are covering k miles, right? Then only they will meet. This guy will cover more than half. This guy will cover less than half because this guy is faster. Right? Together they will do. Together they travel again k miles. So distance traveled by fast guy plus slow guy is equal to k. That is, let's again the speed is f into time is t plus slow guy speed into slow guy's time is actually equal to k. Right? We have two equations: fr minus sr equal to ft plus st. Let's equate. Let's make both of them equal. Then let's fr minus ft. If you bring ft to this side, f into r minus t, and if you take sr minus sr to this side, s into r plus t. F into r minus f times r minus t equals s times r plus t. What does that mean? F by s, which is nothing but speed of fast guy by speed of slow guy, equals r plus t by r minus t. Obviously, this number is greater than 1. Right? R plus t is always higher than r minus t because both r and t are positive. R is greater than t also because r will take longer time. Right? This guy has to overtake. This guy has to cover a longer distance. Right? R is greater than t. So r plus t by r minus t is the ratio of their speeds. Right? It's a simple problem. Just that we need to be able to formulate these two equations. That's it. That is the only trick here. Thank you, guys.